Hello, and welcome to Birdview and Easy Projects. In this video, we'll cover how to create project templates. Using project templates will streamline the recreation of common projects. Before we create the project plan, let's make sure that the status field is enabled in the Activity Center. Alternatively, you can access status by going into the project details here at the top. It is also important to note the option to set the project status to draft, as this will limit the notifications sent to team users when resources are being assigned as the project template is being built. Now, let's begin drafting our project plan template from scratch. Click the New Project button at the top right. We'll enter the name and start adding tasks. I'll change this status as a draft, as I'll get back to this since it's a work in progress. If you jump back into the Activity Center, under the project filter, you can show drafts by deselecting and selecting them here. Once your project is set up, simply change the status of the project from draft or open to template. You can do that here, or again, go into details and change it up here. And that's it. You've now saved this project as a template. Now that it's a template, this project will no longer appear in the Activity Center unless you open the project filter and make sure that templates are visible. Now, anytime we would like to recall this project template, head to the drop-down arrow from the New Project drop-down button and click this template you'd like to use. I've just renamed it, and all of the tasks have now appeared. The new project will be created using any of the same workflows, hours, assignees, and attachments if they were saved on the original template. And that's how you create project templates. Please visit our other training videos for more information on how to use Birdview and Easy Projects. Thank you and have a great day.